being obviously in Thailand, it's twice a day, it's every day. I kind of learned that you don't have to go full out all the time. So you can kind of have like a hard one, more of a technical one, probably a hard one again. If you need it, like just kind of break it up slightly. But because people have got jobs and they've got families, it's just really hard to push people in the right direction. I can only do with them the time that they allow me to do anything with them, if that makes sense, which is really, really difficult. I'll get like a few guys that I go to strength conditioning coaches as well. I make sure that I talk to them just to let them know, look, I still want them to be able to do this, so don't kind of do anything that's going to mess that up. And obviously we can kind of converse that way, and it's been working quite well.
How many times typically do you find fighters during the week are going out and doing sort of any kind of supplemental training that's not what you're giving them?
Most go about like twice a week, and obviously because like for me, the strength conditioning should be to aid the sport that you're doing. It shouldn't overtake the sport that you're doing, which I think a lot of people kind of get confused. And obviously, like now, there's more people doing strength conditioning 3 to 4 times a week, and not the sport that they're supposedly contesting in.
Yeah, and that's interesting that you've got that sort of 2 times a week. That's exactly what I recommend for people as well. That if you're doing a good, well-structured session, then twice a week is enough to hit all of the aspects that you're going to be underdeveloping from just doing the Muay Thai alone. So that's plenty, and it's not taking you away from your actual skilled sport, which is the important bit.
Thanks for listening. If you found this valuable, please like, subscribe, and share with someone else it could help too. Please give the podcast a review or comment below. We'd love to hear from you. As always, you can visit Heatrick.com for more Muay Thai performance podcasts, videos, articles, and guides. Catch you next time.